Hello everyone. In this video I'll tell you about merge sort algorithm. It is efficient and comparison based sorting technique. It follows recursively divide and conquer concept. Divide and conquer means when a problem is large, divide this large problem into small problems or sub problems and solve these all sub problems. Then combine or merge all the solutions of small problems to get the solution for large problem. The problem is said to be small when it have one element. Let's see merge sort algorithm with an example and how it's working. In this example, elements are unsorted. We have to sort it by using merge sort algorithm. So here we use two parameters, merge sort L, H. These two are parameters we use in this algorithm, where L is the starting of an array and H is the ending of an array. Then check the condition. If L is less than H, if this condition is true, then go for the next step. L should be lesser than H. In case if L is equals to H, then array contains only one element. No need to sort array if it contains one element. It is invalid. Or if L is greater than H, L cannot be greater than H. It is blunder, it's completely invalid statement. L cannot be greater than H. So check the condition L should be less than H. Next, find out the mid value. How to find mid value? We have already seen in binary search algorithm how to find mid value. Similarly, mid is equals to low plus H by 2. So in this example, when we find mid value, 1 plus 7 divided by 2, 8 by 2 is equals to 4. Now mid will be at 4. Next, perform merge sort L, mid. Perform merge sort L to mid. Again perform merge sort mid plus 1 to high. Perform merge sort mid plus 1 to high. Then merge L, mid, H. Then merge L, mid and H. Overall, this is simplest concept. What we are doing is we have single array. We are breaking it into two parts or two subarrays using mid value. We have to solve these subarrays separately. Then we have to merge. Now I solve this example. Check the condition. L is less than H and we got mid value at 4. Then perform merge sort L, mid. Take the subarray L to mid, that is 9, 5, 1 and 7. Divide it into more subarrays 9, 5 and 1, 7. Likewise, we have to divide until we get a small array. It means divide till we get a single element. So again after dividing we will get 9, 5 and the other side 1 and 7 as single elements. Now merge all the elements. In 9 and 5, 5 is less, so merge 5 and 9. Other side 1 and 7, 1 is less than 7, so it is in order, so no need to change. Again combine, then we will get 1, 5, 7 and 9. Now take second sub-array, that is from mid plus 1 to high. Take the second sub-array, that is from mid plus 1 to high, and the elements are 8, 6, 2. Again divide it like 8, 6 and 2. Because we have 3 elements, divide like this. We have to divide until we get a single element. So again divide 8 and 6 also. We will get 8 and 6. Now merge. In elements 8 and 6, 6 is lesser. So 6 and 8. Again merge. We will get 2, 6 and 8. So merge sort for second sub-array is completed. Then merge two sub-arrays L, mid, H. We will get 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here I have already drawn list, otherwise video will be lagging. Hope now you guys have pretty good idea about merge sort technique and how it's working.